Hi, everyone. So on today's Mortgage Market Minute, I want to recap VA financing and the super cool benefits that we can get a client for VA financing on a home loan. Most people are aware VA financing is 100% financing. And like we spoke about in the video we put out a couple of months ago, VA financing can get you 100% on up to 4 units. And if you have VA disability at anywhere from 10% to 100%, you get additional benefits for VA. 10% or more VA disabled, we waive the VA funding fee. The VA administration waives the VA funding fee, which is the upfront mortgage insurance charged for getting a VA loan. And then if you're 100% VA disabled, the state of California will waive a big chunk of your property taxes. Super cool benefit. What a lot of people don't know is that VA financing is actually easier to qualify for than an FHA or conventional loan. The debt ratio requirements tend to be more lenient, and the credit requirements tend to be more lenient. It's very, very easy to qualify for a VA loan. And incidentally, VA portfolios of loans have lower defaults. There's less defaults on a VA loan in general than most other loan portfolios, which is super, super cool. And a lot of people have misconceptions about a VA loan and that the property has to be in perfect shape. That's not the case. The VA appraisal requirements are very similar to FHA. The appraiser is going to call out things that are livable conditions or health and safety issues. So very similar to FHA. The only major difference is that VA requires a termite report, and the items called out on the termite report in general have to be repaired. So that's really the big difference between VA and FHA. A little bit more stringent than conventional, but not by much. And the last thing is that the VA, on a VA loan, the veteran has earned that benefit. So we want to make the most of that for veterans and help make them aware, that their service entitles them to this benefit. So thank you to those that served. We really appreciate you. It's your service that enabled us to have the freedoms that we have. And if you have any questions on financing a VA deal or any other type of mortgage, please give us a call, like and subscribe. And if you are a veteran, please put vet in the comments below and we'll send you some additional information and benefits on what you can get for VA financing. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.